everyone, welcome back to my amazing channel, and today we are here with the coolest girls ever, Veronica and Kavya, who are matcha pros. And if you know anything about me, you know that I'm a matcha
newbie.
So today, hopefully, inshallah, they will change my mind and they'll make me a cool matcha girly who like wears tote bags and goes for walks and goes to cafes and asks for iced matcha please with almond milk. Today, Kavya and Veronica are the matcha pros and they are gonna make me some different recipes of matcha. So it's gonna be a matcha good time.
Okay.
No, we're gonna very matcha enjoy today's time.
I'm gonna make you the most basic of basic news.
Okay, fine.
An iced matcha.
Okay.
Okay.
I love
very
iced
very
matcha.
simple.
Sure.
Yeah.
I've never had an iced matcha. Oh, you made me an iced matcha once.
I did. The first time I made a try iced latte, she's like, this is grass seed. And everyone around was like, oh. Okay, so I'm gonna make more than one glass, but usually you can take like 1 teaspoon.
For one.
That is good. Yeah.
As a beginner, yeah.
Yeah, as a beginner, you can take. We take around 3 to 4 because we're in matcha cracks.
Yeah.
The first step is always to sift your matcha.
Yes.
Very important because otherwise, do you want to do it?
Yeah, you should do
Start
it,
it.
Anna.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Let's go.
I'm not much of a cooker, I have to say, you know. Oh, it's spilling out, so sorry.
That's okay.
And we're sifting it so that the, what is it?
So that there are no lumps.
Okay.
This is why a lot of people will typically tell you that matcha tastes very sandy in their mouth, or it tastes like mehendi. You know, that's like 2 common things you hear from a lot of people who've tried it and don't like it, and that's probably because nobody sifted the matcha for them. So they're getting lumps, and that gives them that grainy texture, which you do not want.
This is a full workout, huh? Holding this.
Yeah, and like
arms can't
you'll
you
see it in a lot of cafes, like lumps and stuff floating in your matcha, and you know they've not sifted it.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Now that we're done sifting the matcha,
Yes.
the next step is to add warm water.
Okay.
Never hot.
Never hot.
Hot water burns the matcha. That's why
Okay.
it will taste bitter.
Okay.
Now you
Are you sure? There's some more
pour
ways.
your. So now if you can see, it's become like very clumpy, lumpy. Always use a bamboo whisk.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't be lazy and use an electric frother, please.
Okay.
And the reason is because a bamboo whisk, if you see the bristles are very fine, right? So very, very fine bristles, so that breaks the matcha.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's going to end up being really lumpy.
Like this.
So yeah,
Okay.
like this. And essentially, matcha is like baking, right? You need a good whisk even when you bake. So for matcha, that's why we and everyone would recommend a bamboo
Yeah.
whisk. Please don't use an electric frother.
Don't
Don't.
do it.
Like, no, it's illegal.
It's
Yeah.
illegal.
Science-wise, like matcha chemically cannot ever dissolve in water. So you can't use a
Okay.
fork, a spoon, and electric frother because like coffee, it never dissolves. It can only suspend in water. So you have to constantly incorporate like
Okay.
bubbles into it.
Yeah.
And that's when it like becomes something that you can drink.
Y'all are so smart. This is like why you learn science, I
Because
feel,
I'm
you
like,
know.
I need to be able to justify to someone why they need to buy like
Yeah.
₹1,000 whisk. And
It's
it's
1,000 rupees for this whisk.
Yeah.
This matcha addiction is quite expensive. Huh?
Oh, that it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ask us. Okay,
Yeah.
so now again,
you
we
can start whisking.
are very used to, rotating everything in like circles because
Yeah.
like all our curries and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
But with when you're whisking matcha, it's always a Z, like a
Okay.
zigzag motion. So like an M, a
Or
W.
W,
So you
whatever.
just go like
Like this.
Wait,
Oh,
I think
that's why
And
it's there.
super fast.
Acha.
and it's a great arm workout.
Yeah.
Like, and can you see it's starting to froth?
Oh.
What we want to get is like a tiny bubble froth, like a microphone.
Yeah.
That doesn't move. So you have to
Yeah.
keep whisking it for a while.
I want you to try.
Go for it.
Okay.
Ariana's first whisk.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You can go as fast as you want. You can be as angry as you want at it.
Yeah, like remove all our frustration.
3, 2,
1.
Wow. It's looking really pretty, guys.
That one looks sick.
It looks so good.
I think you should.
Like just a stunning beverage.
Yeah.
Veronica's. Even though they're not competing, I'm gonna pit women against each other.
fine.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I'll taste it.
As long as matcha wins.
Wait, I'll taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm so excited. You have no idea.
Okay,
Ready?
so this is a sparkling matcha lemonade.
Okay. I'm nervous.
It's not poison. We can drink it.
If I don't like it, then I have to like
That's
act
fine,
and I'm
no.
not an
Some people
actor.
have literally told me like, Veronica, I'm sorry, this is not for me.
Okay,
I'm like,
okay.
I'm okay with it.
smell is not bad at all.
Okay.
I thought the smell would be quite bad. It's not bad at
Okay. Okay.
all. It's quite nice actually. Really nice.
Oh. I was
I'm
really
really
expecting
into
I would hate
this.
it.
Like actually.
No, I'm really into this.
Okay.
Describe it.
It's like a sparkling lemonade. That's it. This drink is the reason why I wanted to do this video, because I really want to be that girl in the
Okay,
cafe.
fair, fair. Yeah, she got the blueberry. I saw it in the straw.
I don't think
No.
I've been more stressed in my life.
It's really nice.
But
I feel like there's no matcha in this.
What's
I swear.
this is turning out to be.
Oh, is there matcha in
The
it?
blueberry overpowers the matcha.
I'm gonna smell it. This is how it smells. Again, very
It smells like Good Earth. If Good Earth didn't have, it's like perfumes. You know what I mean?
No. I really don't.
Like it smells like. What does it smell like? Can I smell it? I don't know what it smells like, but it doesn't. It smells like a furniture store.
Pastel matcha.
A
So it's
pastel
basically
matcha.
it's like a cold whisk on a matcha, so you don't use any water for this recipe. You just put matcha and then milk directly. So
Okay.
it's a concoction of oat milk and coconut milk. Strong on the coconut and matcha flavors, I'm warning you. So
Okay.
yeah, that's it.
Cheers.
You can either love it or you can hate it. Mmm.
It is strong on the coconut and matcha.
Yeah.
Maybe a little too strong on the matcha. This one is which one?
It's just
an ice
the
matcha.
most basic iced matcha latte.
Oh, okay.
With almond milk.
Okay, ready?
Go for it.
It's no sweetener. I can have sweetener.
Bold move.
Yeah, I think you should.
Bold
I think
move,
you
not
should
that.
Grassy, it's grassy.
Not giving a bitterness or
Yeah.
sweetener.
Yeah.
First, my top one was the
Blueberry.
blueberry. Easy. It was really amazing. Because I love the blueberry. Great starter matcha drink if anyone's
Yeah.
interested.
Yeah.
Then, I would say I really loved the lemonade one.
Okay.
That was really good. Like, so that would be my order that I would like have them in. Third one is the. Oh, this is hard.
Do you want to have a sip of each again?
Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Ariana, one of those people you can give her a bad gift or a good gift.
And she'd be like, yeah, she
You
wouldn't
will
know.
not know which one was the
Yeah.
bad or good.
Coconut one. I really like, because as I said, I'm really into coconut currently.
Yeah.
But I would put little less matcha in.
Okay, fair.
Okay, and then the grassy one is great and it's a classic and it was my first.
Stop calling
And
it
as-
the grassy one.
But as everyone knows, you very rarely end up with your first love. But it's always special, Kavya.
Who's
So-
name?
No, like you're gonna end up with a guy you dated at like 15. No thanks.
No.
And that's life.
Yeah.
And that's life. Take some life advice from me and some amazing matcha advice from Kavya and Veronica. Thank you so much guys for watching this amazing video. I'll put all of Veronica's 8,000 things that she's doing in the description below and all of Kavya's 10,000 things that she's doing in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you're a matcha girl or not and if you're gonna try matcha now. Because I am definitely, I'll be like, yeah, do y'all have matcha? And I'll inquire about it. And then I'll check with both of you if it's a good place to have
Mission
matcha or not.
accomplished.
Done.
And then I'll see.
One more.
Thank you so much, guys,
Okay.
for being here and for having me and for making me so much yummy matcha. I really appreciate it so much.
Yay!
Always happy to have one.
Yeah. Okay, now finish your matcha.
Okay, yes. I'm gonna like not sleep all night. Guys, I just want everyone to know. I just want everyone to know that these two girls, I switched off the camera for 2 seconds and they have exposed themselves. So expose yourselves again.
I don't always sift my matcha.
I don't always put my whisk in hot water. Sometimes I just use it as is. But the reason why we're stressing on these steps for y'all is because y'all are beginners and we want y'all to love matcha.